Sup, Buttercup? So, Saturday morning I got up and got on a plane to go to New York with Chelsea, my roommate. And here we are. It's so cool. We could see everything flying in. And we've made good use of the subway already. I don't like it as much as I liked the London Underground. The London Underground was cleaner, and I miss the voice saying mind the gap. But this has been so helpful. Just we can get anywhere on it, and it's just been great. So I can't fault it for that. And then we've had some good food. This was from a place called Midway Flats. Really good burger. And we went to this food festival and I got a donut. And I mean, this food festival has everything you could possibly want. It just any kind of food, and it's all good. And it was so much fun to just get a couple of different things and just eat them, and they were so delicious. I got Dan Dan noodles, which are rice fried noodles, and a Peking duck bun, which was just delicious. I mean, melt in your mouth. And here's me eating the donut, chocolate on my face. Yeah, and that's the Dan Dan that I got. It was so good. Oh, and I got this too. This was a mango ginger snow cone with cream and real mango and crystallized ginger. It was so delicious. Just took snow cones to another level. And they really know what they're doing with these. So it was so much fun. You can see them just putting so much. Oh, this was artwork right here. Oh, so good. Oh, yeah, put that mango on. Ooh, yeah. Oh, I love it. Oh, and the crystallized ginger. Yes. And then we walked around downtown. We went to we went by Madison Square Gardens because we were on our way to the Park Lane. I'll explain that in a minute. Just some tall buildings in the background I thought were fun. And there's Chelsea, super excited in the background. Behind me, Penn Station, which is cool. And tall buildings that I don't know the name of. I just thought looked cool. Oh, and the train we take every day goes across the Manhattan Bridge, which gives us a cool view of the Brooklyn Bridge and Manhattan itself. And there's Elizabeth, me, and Chelsea on Park Lane. It was so cool to go on. It's this old train track it's an elevated train track that they made into a park. And it's like, I think 2 miles long, and it has all sorts of artwork along it. And it's just really pretty and cool. I mean, and I went to the Museum of Modern Art and saw Starry Night by Van Gogh. It was just so cool. I mean, that's a dream come true. I mean, I saw other Van Goghs and some Picassos and some sculptures by Picasso and Monet. Oh, I love Monet. I'd hang Monet in my house. It's so beautiful, and it's just modern art that I can understand, I guess. Oh, it's just beautiful. Look at it. Lilies. The water lilies. Yeah, I was super excited to see that one. And then there were some other modern art that I liked or that I recognized from certain places. Things like this. Isn't that cool? And, Salvador Dali. And then they had a whole section on artwork that had to be done to make the costumes for the ballet company, which was really cool and tied into my theater roots, and I really enjoyed that. I mean, it was a really cool experience. As I left, I realized I don't understand a lot of modern art, and after this, I still don't understand a lot of it, but that's okay. I don't have to. I really enjoyed what I did see, and it was fun to try and understand what the artists were going for with the pieces. Oh, and saw Carnegie Hall. And we stopped by a French bakery and got some pastries and desserts. Don't they look delicious? Bye-bye, Buttercup.